The most interesting thing about King Charles I, at the start of his reign he was 5 feet 6. At the end he was sub 5.
Because of Cromwell, Lord and Protector of England, born in 1599 and lived for 59 years, was at first only MP for Huntingdon, but then he led a cavalry at the Marston Moor in 44.
And he then founded the new model army, and praise be beat the Cavaliers at Naseby and the King fleet up north.
Under the terms of John of the Solemn League, the Scots handed King Charles I to Oliver Cromwell, Lord and Protector of England and his wards, born in 1599 and died in 1658.
But alas, the disagreement then broke out between the Presby Parliament and the military human.
To have a sovereign bent, and so the Second Civil War broke out, and the Roundhead ranks faced he Cavaliers and Preston banks. The king lost again, silly stupid good, and Cromwell sent Colonel Bright to purge the house of Commons. Of the Presby Royalists, leaving behind the parley, which appointed a high court at Parliament to indict Charles I for tyranny. He was sentenced to death. He denied the court's control, say goodbye to his head.
Poor King Charles laid his head down. Down came the axe, the only sound was Cromwell giggling and laughing. Lord and Protector of England, his name is Cromwell, born in 1599 and died in September 58.
Then he smashed all of Ireland, set up the Commonwealth and more. He crushed the Scots and the Dutch at sea in 53, and then he dissolved the realm. And with Lambert's consent wrote the tool of government, under which Oliver was protector at last, protector at last.